Hello UK lock spots. Yes, I'll be picking this Airbus 5560 hardened steel, nice lock, small tiny keyway this one, and this is the 6550. It says Nano Protect on that. First time I've heard of that, Nano Protect. This has got a really wide keyway and it says OX. It's got that hole there. Let me see if they've got it here. Yeah, same thing, they've got the hole there, but it's not got no OX or nothing. So anyway, I must say they're really good, well made locks. One open with a little bit of a fight. Next one opening now. I'm gonna try. I don't think this has got security pins in. There we go, next one open. Two Airbus locks open. Two Airbus is open. Thank you.